Good morning, everybody. How are you doing this morning? I pray that you're having a great day. Tell me, who are you? Are you the rich man or are you the poor man? In the Bible, there's a story about a rich man and a poor man. And the poor man would be at this man's gate and he's begging for scraps. And he has nothing to eat, he's sick, he has sores, and the rich man did not take the opportunity to meet his needs, did not share anything, even though he has wealth. And this poor man, all he needed was maybe just a piece of bread every day so that he could survive. However, when they both died, one went to heaven and one went to hell. Now, as you can understand, the poor man went to heaven and the rich man went to hell. And he looked across the great divide to see this poor man in the bosom of God. And he was being looked after. He had everything. He didn't have wealth, but as you know, heaven is a good place. So, milk and honey and fruits and all of that. And he's enjoying himself. And this rich man is suffering in hell. He's burning. All he wants is a drop of water. Do you see how the tables have turned? In our lives, everybody really have needs. And sometimes we ought to come up out of ourselves and help others. Because one might be rich in love, one might be rich in compassion, yet the other is poor in love or poor in compassion, or just might need a kind word, something. Come up out of yourself today and address the need of somebody else. You never know how you might meet somebody's needs, how you could save them. There are a lot of people who are depressed and who are sad and who are going through difficult times, and you'll never know, right? The thing with depression is that sometimes there are mood swings, and a lot of people feel shame in society, so they won't mention this. Right? So come up out of yourself, say a kind word. If you see that somebody has a need, whether it is food, clothing, water, right? If it is a bill need to be paid, anything, look out for the needs of others and see how you can address it. See how, it comes right back at you. We have this song in church that says, give, and it will come back to you, good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. Apply this day to day. Don't just come on a Sunday and sing it at church, but apply this day to day to meet the need of somebody else. God bless you in Jesus' name.